this wire in the way. Okay, let's see. Let's do this again. You gotta line it up just right. We have the Rockwell motor here getting in the way. It's cable. Okay. There we go. Now it's not losing this time. Alright, let's see. Looks like we are right here. So we got the first screw set in. Let's see. How line are we with the flat here? Looks like we're pretty lined up with the flat, so let's see here. Take a look. And we're not where we want it to be. So we're going to have to turn this motor and hopefully it don't turn my entire shaft here. I hope. I have to watch this out here. Looks like our shaft is off anyway. Or population goes off. Okay, so right now it's definitely not in the right spot. We are a few teeth off. So what we're going to have to do the last if ever option, what would have to do would have to remove this motor. Which I seriously don't want to do that, but if I have no choice, I have no choice. Just so I can turn this by hand without the shaft turning with it. Get it lined back up again. Because trying to get this thing on here was a freaking bang. So what we want to do, we want to get the screw out. We want to get the screw back out again. Since it's not right, you now may fall. You may fall for whatever you please. We're going to get yourself back off again. And we're going to have to go through this crap again. The crap of these things here being in the way. Alright. That's back out of the way again. So let's see here. Alright, let's get this carousel back on here. Let's get it right this time, which, hang on a sec. That's for giggles. switch off all the spots that where the paint fell off. This one spot. Let's get this baby back on here so we can get this thing done and over with. Alright, let's see. We gotta get this thing on the hole somehow. Come on. I know you love it. I know you love to get on this thing. Come on. Thing wants to be a pain in my butt now. There we go. I had it on wrong. Okay, now I gotta get it through these blockades. There we go. We're on there. We are on. So. Stupid idiots. Don't worry, people. We run into idiots out here all the time. I'm not sure if you heard it or not, but so much squeal the tires out here. Which doesn't surprise me any. Let's see here. This is going to be fun. Fun, fun, fun. But don't help if this is tight. Let's see. Okay, now we are quite loose. So. Let's see here. Why didn't you gonna need a flathead screwdriver on this one? Okay. Open this envelope. Okay, let's see if we can space these things out a little bit. Let's see, is that the... I need to take this off so that would be easier. Get out of the way. Let's see here. Get this in here. See if we can do this. Spread this apart. That's the bit so we can get this thing on here and all. That'll make our journey a little bit easier. Looks like the last piece here is going to hold us up. It's just not being too friendly. Yeah, this is not going to go too well. Right on the top of this thing. This is some pretty soft material that we're dealing with here. And at the do something here. This ain't gonna be cool. Okay. I think we got that cleared. Let's see. We got it pretty freaking nice in here right now. Right now the carousel is not lined up with the cam, so we're gonna line those holes up. Okay, so now it's going to take our extension with our 2 screws that's going to go in the cam, and we'll screw this thing back down and we'll see where our population wheel is at. And I'll get some JB weld. I tried on that gripper arm and hopefully it will actually stay on there. And hopefully this thing should be up and running again. And I know eventually this carousel motor is definitely going to need replacing because the bushings for it that runs the motor is really worn down. Really bad. Ah, crap, not again. Now we gotta see exactly where our hole is at. It's over here. Oh dear. Since we're in a whole different spot, and this is a whole different ball game. Crap. Well, this ball game is going to be a little tough. Let's see if we can get this. I think we got it, I think. Let's see. Alright, feels like we're going in, so. So that's a plus. Looks awfully nice. So, since we have our 1 screw in now, and it's going to be a real pain in the freaking butt to get the other one, because we're going to have to turn this motor a lot just to get the other screw in. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this exactly where it's at, and we're going to try to see if we can do something about this here. We're going to need probably a little finer screwdriver probably. Get that thing anyway. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this back up where we need it. It looks like we're going to need a finer screwdriver.